I found something online that somebody posted. I like to read to you all. I liked it, so I'm gonna read it. So here we go. Just listen to this, okay? The truth of the matter, back then and today, is that these parasites who call themselves leaders are not superior beings. They're not great men and women. They're not honorable. They're not even average. The people who earn an honest living, from sophisticated entrepreneurs to illiterate day laborers doing the most mental task you can imagine, those people deserve your respect. They do. Not the freaking politicians. They don't do shit but fuck us over. But anyways, those people you treat with courtesy and civility. But the frauds who claim the right to rule you and demand your subserviences and obedience, they deserve only your scorn and contempt. Those who seek so-called high office are the lowest of the low. They may dress better, have larger vocabularies, and do a better job of planning out and executing their schemes, but they are no better than pickpockets, muggers, and carjackers. In fact, they are worse because they don't want to rob of just your possessions. They want to rob you of your very humanity, deprive you of your free will by slowly leeching away your ability to think, to judge, to act, reducing you to slaves in both body and mind. And still you persist in calling them leaders. Leaders. Where is it that you think you are going exactly that would require you to have a leader? If you just live your own life and mind your own damn business, exercising your own talents, pursuing your own dreams, striving to be what you believe you should be, what possible use would you have for a leader? Exactly. What? What? These our polit, our leaders are worthless. Okay, they don't work for you and me. When are the majority going to start seeing that they don't work for us? They work for a higher power. They work for somebody else that wants to rule over us and control us and make us slaves. Those that survive their 20 Agenda 30, those of us who survive. Those that survive, like, oh, I'm glad I survived. But you know what? We're probably going to be, well, I know we're going to be the worst ones off. I know it. If you decide to go into their little 15-minute cities, riding your little bicycles, not having a car no more, and having to obey everything, because if you say anything bad about your ruling class, they knock your credit score down to zero, and then you can't even buy food, and you just starve to death and die. That's what's coming to. But they're making majority of you people think, oh my God, 15-minute cities are so awesome. Digital currency, it's so awesome. Yeah, awesome my ass. Why don't you do your damn research and wake the fuck up, people? Research what they are planning on doing to you, and what they're planning on doing to me, what they're planning on doing to all of us and our kids. The future of our kids are bleak if you and I don't get off our asses and start doing something. But anyways, that's all I gotta say right now about this, okay? But please, just do your daggone research. Our leaders, I don't give a fuck. Trump might have won it, but I don't give a fuck. We ain't got it made now, thinking, oh yeah, this is gonna happen, that's gonna happen. Trump is one of them. Please do your damn research and quit freaking relying on some other whatever to make your life better. The only way to make your life better is for you to make it better. Not someone else, not some little pussy that's sucking cock off of the leaders so they can have their power and demolish and destroy all of us so they don't have to worry about living the way we're going to be living. They don't. Come on, people, please just do your research, okay? Please, love you all.